Okay, so this is lesson 2 on the ornaments. Okay, and trying to find a green here that I like. That'll work. Just good old green. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to color these to make them look like they are a sphere and not a flat ball. So there's my example. I'm going to show you how I did that here. Okay, so we'll do one here on the front. So the first thing is kind of come through an outline and get right up next to the black, but try not to pull in. So we're outlining it just so you can try to keep yourself from touching the black. Because if you touch the black, it turns your color, it puts a smudge in it. The other thing I would recommend is not doing light colors. So don't do a yellow bulb if you can help it, because it will pull in that black edge. Okay, do the darker colors. So I did an outline in green first. Then I'm going to come across and I'm going to color like I'm pointing to the center as I color, okay? So see how my strokes always point towards the middle? Okay. So I kind of want to do that all the way around. And then I want to go longer here towards the top. Okay, and go right up next to that edge. And I'm pressing pretty hard here. Okay, same way here. And I don't want to put my light area exactly in the center. I probably kind of want all my gleams to go off to the upper left side. And you want all the gleams to be in the same place on all the bulbs. So don't change them, because that means your light source is changing, which that wouldn't make any sense. The light's always going to come from the same side. So if I put the gleam right here, that probably means my light is up over here. Okay? Okay, if I put the gleam like that. Okay, so I am making this side longer. Okay, than the other side. Does that make sense? And that's about how far I want to go in, pressing really hard. So hopefully you can see that. Okay. And then I want to come in and not press quite as hard. I still am pressing because I don't want it to be too light, but I want it to definitely be fading. Okay. A little farther yet. And every layer I go in, I press a little less. Till this last time I get into the middle. And then I just kind of want to go across and I barely want to touch that. Okay, and then I just kind of want to blend these in. So I'm going to kind of go in again and over all of it and press lightly. So you can't see where my different layers started. Okay, and then that one's done. And that looks like a ball. Okay, you can do whatever colors you want. You can go all red and green. You can add other bulbs in there, whatever you want to do. But they all have to look like they have a gleam in them and they're shiny. So like this, they all have to look rounded and they all have to have that lighter spot. And the lighter spot should always be on the same side. And that's what I'm looking for when you're finished, okay, is that you did that. That is a really great art skill to learn. Okay, so just get going on those. All right, that is lesson 2.